Hey YouTubers, Stubby Nubbies here, bringing you another butterfly knife flip trick. But I'm going to spice it up this time, and instead of just showing you some little weird standard shit, this guy, have made one myself. My own trick. Don't know a name for it, but yeah, I'll think about that later. Let's just get it down. Okay, so pretty much I was inspired by the pen tricks. We all learn and obsess over them for high school pleasure, whatever, work. You know the standard nyeh, nyeh. But there's my own thing right there. That to that. I'm going around the thumb, but then flipping it back around the index finger and back around again. So nyeh, whatever. We're going to learn how to do that with this. My own trick. So, like it said earlier, I had you holding the safe handle where the blade doesn't face your hand. Not in this case. You're actually going to want the blade to be facing you this time. And then you're going to want to learn, I suggest with this on, but mine isn't very good so it won't stay. Learn how to just do the standard pen trick, that little flip thing, before you even start this trick, alright? So then, when you slap that off, make sure the blade's facing you, and you grab that, boom. So, let me show you again. Grab it. You want to be careful though, because on this part, notice when you're coming up, where's the blade facing? Definitely toward your hand, which is why this is a more dangerous trick. Make sure you have a lazy wrist, or else you will F your shit up. Anyways, you could boom. That off. Make sure the blade's facing you, and you grab that, boom. So it's that simple. Have fun. Hope you get it down. I'll have more variations later. Please subscribe and comment if you like this trick.